This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Got an easy one for you guys today. This is a Kitchenaid double oven. This is the broiler element. Has suffered some damage, probably due to the self-cleaning feature got too hot. We're going to replace the element. Really easy to do. Make sure the power is off. You can turn off the breakers is the best way to do it. There's 2 breakers for your oven. We're going to take out these 2 Phillips head screws on the back firewall. They're the ones that are holding the back of the element in position. Take those out, and then there's 2 more that we're going to take out that are holding the element up against the top. Really easy to pop these out. Once you take this one out, on the next one you want to support the element because otherwise it's going to fall. So you want to put a little pressure on it, zip that one out, and then you want to gently pull the element towards you. Just wiggle really easy here because you don't want the wires to come off of the spade connectors in the back. You don't want these these wires to pop off and then go back into the firewall. So make sure that they stay out. You could even grab them with a pair of vice grips so they don't fall back into the firewall, because then you can't get them back out. So pull it off and then just make sure they're going to stay there. You could tape them there too. And there's 2 more on this part of the element we're going to pull off, just like on the other side. And we can bring the whole element and the heat shield out together, and we're going to take the heat shield off by bringing it away from us so it comes off of the element. Here's the old element with all that damage. Here's the new one. We're going to feed it into the heat shield, which is a heat deflector to help spread the heat evenly. And go into these holes. You might have to bend the element a little bit to line it up. Pretty easy to do. There's the terminals at the end. We're going to now very carefully put the wires back on, the spade connectors back onto those terminals. And if you got another set of hands there to help you, like a friend to hold it in position, that'd be great. So we got one of them on. We're going to put the other one on, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side. Make sure they're on really securely. You're going to kind of push and wiggle. You can use a pair of pliers if you'd like to get them on there. But again, make sure they're on there nice and tight. Then we're going to feed those terminals back into the firewall. Just kind of wiggle, take your time. And then we're going to add the Phillips head screws that are holding it in. Again, if your friend can hold this up for you, that'd be great. You can do it yourself, of course, at the same time, but it's nice to have another set of hands. So we put in one screw there, and then we'll put in the other screw that's bringing the element into the firewall in the back. Just lining things up. Put that screw in there. Sorry about the camera angle. These are point of view goggles, and sometimes what I'm seeing the camera doesn't see, so sorry about the angle. So we're zipping in that one, and then we're going to put the 2 Phillips head screws in the top here too. These are a little bit harder to line up. Just take your time. I'm lining up the heat shield and the element and the hole in the upper panel, and then I'll go ahead and put my screw in position, and I'll put it there and just zip it in. And then you're really done. That's how fast and easy that is. You just want to close the door, power it back up, set it for bake, and you'll see those get nice and red hot, and you'll be back in business. Super easy to do. We'll try and get a link for you in the description below too. Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button, and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.